Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this very fun pop of color. There's like literally nothing to this makeup tutorial, and yes, it is inspired by Kylie, and I saw a picture of her look and I just could not help myself. It is so beautiful, absolutely stunning. I had to try the look out for myself, and I think this look would be so pretty with so many different colors done like this, and it's so easy to achieve. So first up, we're going to be taking that Milani eyeshadow primer, and we're going to be using the Maybelline&Nudes eyeshadow palette. How long has it been since you cracked this baby open? And surprisingly, it's still really good. So we're just going to take this cool tone brown there in the palettes from second row, second eyeshadow, and then I'm literally messily windshield wipering this in the crease. I'm going to layer it a bit, and I'm going to mix it a little bit with the shade right directly above it on the first row. Just a bit. Yes, we're just going to be working that in the crease. You guys, let me tell you about this channel I found. I've actually been watching her for about a year now, and her name is Kendall Ray. And if you like murder, mysteries, that kind of stuff, I definitely recommend her channel. She covers all kinds of murders and unsolved cases and things like that. And if I can remember, I will link it below because it's awesome. So we're just going to take this really light creamy shade in the palette. It's matte, and I'm just hastily placing that on the lid, messily placing it in the brow bone, because this look comes together so quickly and nicely. There's literally nothing to it. Like, this part takes no time at all. Blend it a bit and go on. And you guys, I just finished watching Jailbirds on Netflix. I was kind of iffy about starting that, but I kind of like those kind of jail documentaries as well, like Lockdown. And y'all, I don't even know what to think about that toilet bowl talking. Like, in some situations, you just gotta do what you gotta do. Another product that you probably have not used or seen in a while is the Milk pencil from NYX. I still really like this pencil. These are so creamy. I'm just going to put that in the inner corner and my waterline. I'm going to blend that out. We're going to tight line. I'm using the Morphe 35 Boss Mood palette. You can use any yellow in your collection, but when I was searching through my stuff, I found this really beautiful shimmery yellow, and it's called Pop Star, I believe. Her look is matte. You can use matte and do whatever you want to. Use whatever color you want to. And yes, I'm just applying that in the inner corner on top of the Milk pencil. I hate how they ended the season off on kind of like a cliffhanger. So I don't know if there's going to be a season 2 or not, but I'm looking forward to it if it is. And also, I'm still patiently waiting 13 Reasons Why season 3 and Stranger Things. Cannot wait for those. Well, next up, we're going to do a wing using the Physicians Formula 2-in-1 Eye Boosting Eyeliner Pen. Wow, right? What a name. But yeah, we're just going to do a wing, and yes, sometimes it is difficult to achieve the perfect wing on both sides, but we'll get there. Still one of the best eyeliner pens on the market, in my opinion. And it's drugstore. Using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Now you guys, back to Kendall Ray. You guys should definitely check her channel out, especially if you like murder docs and stuff. And her voice is so awesome. It's so soothing and amazing. And she uses like this like creepy, eerie music while she's telling the stories. I don't know, I just love her channel. So as in Definite Kardashian style, we done a nude lip. And it's from Cherry liquid lipsticks back at Christmas. We're using the Hard Candy Glow setting spray. The fan, you guys, loving it. So glad I found that at the Dollar Tree. But basically, that's the finished look. I told you it was easy to achieve. I hope you guys will try it out for yourselves. Definitely check the description box for additional links and product list as well. Like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials. I'm having so much fun filming them for you guys. If you have not tried out, side note here, the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation, you need to. Look how glowy that skin is. Yes, you need to try it. It's absolutely stunning, especially in the sunlight. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the makeup tutorial. Thank you always for watching.